Hi, welcome to our course Fundamentals of R Programming. In this course, we will learn how to analyze the data using the world's number one analytical platform named as RStudio. So, let me walk you through the world of R. First, R is a language and a platform for statistical computing and graphics. It is a GNU project and was developed at Bell Laboratories, formerly known as AT&T, now as Lucent Technologies, by John Chambers and his colleagues. R provides a wide variety of statistical and graphical techniques with highly scalable features. It is also available as a free software under the terms of Free Software Foundation (GNU). It has an effective data handling and storage facility and is the most comprehensive statistical analytical tool available as it comprehends all the standard statistical tests, models, and analysis as well as providing a comprehensive language for managing and manipulating the data. Everyone is welcome to provide code enhancements, debug the bug issues, and also add new packages. So the wealth of quality packages available for R is a testament to this approach to software development and sharing. R has over 4,800 packages available from multiple repositories specializing in topics like econometrics, data mining, spatial analysis, and bioinformatics. R can also handle as many types of data from CSV, SAS, PSS, Excel, MySQL, and so on. Even can be integrated with Hadoop for big data analysis. R is also been listed in the top open source analytical tools in 2016 list after SAS, which is a licensed version. Therefore, in 2019, R took the lead in analytical tools with its robustness and versatile in nature. Now, RStudio is again a free and open source integrated development environment (IDE) for R programming language for statistical computing and graphics. RStudio is available in two editions: RStudio Desktop, where the program is run locally as a regular desktop application, and RStudio Server, which allows accessing the RStudio remotely using a web browser. Now, the difference between R and RStudio is both are two different versions of the same thing. R is a programming language for statistical calculation, and RStudio is a IDE integrated development environment that has more GUI interface to make analytics easy. We can use R without RStudio, but we can't use RStudio without R. In other words, RStudio is a front-end IDE to R. Another important terminology in R is the CRAN, Comprehensive R Archive Network, which is a network of FTP and web servers around the world that stores identical, up-to-date versions of code and documentations of R. I believe you have often came across the buzzword big data. So, what is big data? Big data is extremely large data sets that are analyzed computationally to reveal patterns, trends, and associations especially related to human behavior or machines. They can be from terabytes to petabytes consisting of millions to trillions of rows and columns. However, R is not made for big data analytics, but it has its advantage to integrate with big data technologies named as Hadoop. One of the big advantages of R over Hadoop is that Hadoop is specially designed for programmers, and data scientists, analysts, or anyone not from programming background do not have to spend more time in programming rather than analyzing their data. So what R does in this, it will send instructions to the Hadoop, and Hadoop will process all the instructions and return back the results to R. R also have the advantage to extract multiple samples from Hadoop, which is required for statistical modeling and computing, and can handle data as much as the memory available in the system's RAM. This is how the RStudio looks like. Source editor is a text editor where multiple lines of code can be entered and users can also save the script to the disk. This part is also known as console editor, where all the interactive work of R is performed like objects created, analysis, filter, etc. Packages. This is the place where a user can view all the list of installed packages. Packages are self-contained set of codes to perform specific tasks similar to adding in Excel. Help. This is where we can browse the built-in help systems for our related topics. Files. The place where user can browse their files of the computer. Plots. This is the place where R displays its visual analysis like histogram, bar diagram, box plots, etc. Workspace history. The workspace is our current working environment and includes any user-defined objects. At the end of the R session, the user can save an image of the current workspace that is automatically reloaded the next time when R is started. Now, to install R, first visit the official website. Then, according to your operating system, select one. In this case, we choose Download R for Windows. Then, in the next page, click Install R for the first time from Base category. Now, download the R 3.3, run the setup file and choose the appropriate options according to our needs. As of now, we will keep the default settings and finish the installation. Select the R GUI and it should something look like this. Next, we will install the IDE for R, that is RStudio. Visit the official website, select RStudio Desktop and run the installation process. Now, we are ready with our tool to perform advanced analysis. But before that, in the next video, let me walk you through their data types and their structures.